Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast. Today, I would like to talk about working together versus arguing, choosing progress over conflict. This is Digital Access. My name is Paul Habomogisha. Let us talk about something we all experience in our families, workplaces, and communities. Working together versus arguing. At some point in life, we face disagreements. Different opinions, different ideas, and different personalities are normal. But the real question is this: do we choose to argue or do we choose to work together? Arguments often begin when we focus more on being right than on doing what is right. When people argue, energy is wasted, time is lost, relationships are damaged. Instead of solving the problem grows bigger. On the other hand, working together creates solutions. Working together does not mean we always agree. It means we listen. It means we respect each other's views. It means we understand that progress is more important than pride. Think about this. When people argue, everyone wants to win. When people work together, everyone wins. Arguments build walls. Teamwork builds bridges. In a team, each person brings something valuable. One person may have the idea, another the skill, another the experience. Alone, progress is slow. Together, progress is powerful. Working together teaches us patience. It teaches humility. It teaches us that success is not about me, but about us. So, the next time you feel an argument rising, pause and ask yourself, is this helping us move forward? Am I listening or just waiting to respond? What solution can we build together? Remember this: unity creates strength. Cooperation creates growth. Argument creates delay. Let us choose collaboration over conflict. Let us choose understanding over anger. Let us choose to work together, because together we go further. Thank you for listening. And until next time, stay positive and keep building together.